searching for Zoe. And I've been in the woods for probably about 40 minutes. And I've been busting through thick laurels, rhododendrons, and still haven't received a signal. I do know she's somewhere down near the waterfall, just simply based on, I drove down on the other side of the falls a few minutes ago and got a faint signal, so I came in from the top thinking I'd be able to get to her easier instead of finding Zoe. Oh, look at this wild ginger. Beautiful. Take a look at these beautiful rock outcrops. Undoubtedly carved by the creek over the eons of time that it's been flowing in this area. Let's take a short detour and go up and take a look at this rock shelter. This little rock shelter here, big enough for 2, maybe 3 people to camp inside of. Native Americans may have used it. And I have found under the leaves here, years ago, I found a fire scar. And I dug around in the fire scar and found pieces of glass and plastic from, I would say, back in the 1950s, 60s, something like that. There's hardly anything left now. There's a piece of charcoal from a fire. Nothing left. But the wild ginger is coming back. That's really nice. Really beautiful place. One of these days I might come down here and camp. Well, I've lost her signal again, and it's so noisy here with the waterfall that I can't pick it up. So I'm going to go over there and dunk my head in the water, cool off, and then head on down the trail and see if I can locate the signal. I have to get out of the way of this noise from this water. So I should have brought the headphones, I suppose, but oh well. All right, well, this is unbelievable. The signal led me from the waterfall back here into the pasture, which I had just visited about an hour and a half ago and discovered that the signal was up above the waterfall. Well, apparently it's not. So I'm trekking up the mountain again on the other side, looking for the snake in the place that I did not think she was. Unbelievable. Now, you know what? It's entirely believable. Anytime when you deal with wildlife, they will trick you, make you think they're one place when they're in another place. So yeah, my theory was she was down in this area, gnats, possibly for a thermoregulation of her young, if she is indeed gravid. And then I thought, well, you know, August comes along, she'll probably start heading back up on the ridge, making her way across the mountain slowly towards her winter hibernation spot. Well, I think I jumped the gun. I was a little early. Wishful thinking or something like that. So anyway, here I am, heading back up the ridge here, following a very faint signal that may or may not lead to a rattlesnake. Okay, I've picked up a stronger signal in that direction, and it's pretty funny. Well, actually, it's funny depending on how you look at it, because the signal is coming from really close to my friends Dave and Christina's house, which is straight through those woods right there. So let's go see if we can find this rattlesnake. I wonder where she is. Okay, well, the signal is bringing me back over to Dave and Christina's. Okay, it's faded. Okay, no, it isn't over there. It's down. Their house is here. Nope, it's down here. In this hollow. Okay, let's go. Following a little game trail here. Oh, wow, there we go. She's really close. Well, the signal has led me down into this little stream bed here, just below Dave and Christina's house. And the signal is really strong. So it seems it's coming from up the stream towards the spring head. Let's go see what we can find. We'll take a shortcut here. Instead of going up the stream, there's a little trail I can take. She's right up here. All right, well, I found Zoe, and she's here on the hillside, up above the small spring. Very hard to get down to her because of her location. So she's just sitting here in a resting coil in this pile of debris under these leaves. Maybe this is a good hunting spot, not really sure, but the really interesting thing is that she's been here before. About a year ago or so, she was seen here by Dave and Christina, who live on the property, and she's back again. So just shows you that rattlesnakes are creatures of habit. She's following the same paths year after year. Well, that was some snake hunt. Took me about 2.5 hours. Bummed some chicken from my friends here at the top of the rope. And then gave me a little bit more fuel to continue the snake hunt. So that's Snake Tracks for today. Let's go find Utsanati, but not today.
Nights and broken dreams, no peace of mind, no abandoned me. You tore apart, now all I see, restless nights and broken dreams. Restless nights and broken dreams, no peace of mind, no mending me. You tore apart, now all I see, restless nights and broken dreams. You tore apart.